What's going on, guys? Captain Horn 23 here, and I wanted to do a little something special for hitting 400 subscribers. I believe right now I actually have 422, which is crazy because I gained like 20 subscribers in one day, which was yesterday. I know during the stream I got about 8 new subscribers, which is amazing. There will definitely be more streams here soon and more LSPDFR videos and X-Plane videos. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much for allowing me to hit 400 subscribers. The next goal is 500 and eventually 1,000 and maybe 2,000, even further than that. But as a 400 subscriber special, I'm going to be showing you one of my talents that I've been doing for about 10 years now, and it has to do with the Rubik's Cube. I have solved for over 10 years at this point, and I actually have quite a few cubes. If you can see this shelf here, all these here. I also have a 9x9, which is this right here. It's very big. It's very annoying to solve, even though I can do it in about an hour. I have a 7x7 here, and on my desk over here with my computer, I have 3 other cubes right here, and my main one, which is this one right here. It's the GAN 356XS. This is a $70 Rubik's Cube. Not Rubik's, that's a brand. But all my cubes combined is probably around $500. I could be way off, but I can tell you those 3 on my desk, plus this one, add up to over $200 alone. But it's over time, you know, just getting them and having the highest quality cubes. I've competed twice, and I'll leave my WCA profile in the description below. I did pretty decent. I was in like the top 25% of everybody, and I believe I'm like number 20,000th in the world when it comes to solving the 3x3 cube, and number like 12,000th in the United States with the best time. The world record currently is 3.4 seconds, which is ridiculous. I don't think anybody's gonna beat that. I average around 12 seconds. In the following video that you're about to see, I take an average of 5, and I believe it was around 13 seconds. The first 2 solves are the best, 1:11 second, and my worst is 16 seconds. So that gives you a rough idea. My hands were kind of cold, and my cube needs some lubrication. It is kind of clicky, and it doesn't cut corners as well as it should. So enjoy, guys, and again, thank you so much for 400 subscribers.
Release me from the present, I'm obsessing on these questions. Why I'm in denial that they tried this suicidal session. Please use discretion when you're messing with the message man. These lyrics aren't for everyone, only if you understand. Please use discretion when you're messing with the message man. These lyrics aren't for everyone, only if you understand. My people singing. My people singing. Could you